Yeah, the election tracker, was a very, very interesting activity for us. It worked brilliantly. But the question, obviously, that faced not only us but any brand is with such a hugely topical event like the elections, there is an element of risk involved in associating a brand name with it, like there is, for example, with religion. That was what we really had to answer. Do we want to associate ourselves in any way with this subject that the country is right now so vocal about, and if so, how? And the stand we took was very simple. We will simply provide a way for people to gauge or measure opinion and sentiment online. It's not about our opinion or even our consumers' opinion, but it's about the entire internet community from India who's talking about whether it's a political party or the election process or whatever it may be. Simply measuring and reporting that, which eventually has turned out really well. I think people really appreciated the fact that there was an absolutely neutral, matter of fact sort of representation of what online sentiment and opinion and view was, without any form or any hint of bias or opinion creeping into it at any place. So yes, that was the challenge really, to be neutral. And I think the way the platform itself was designed, the way the tracker was designed, and the way we sort of put it out there, made sure that we came up with it was used purely as a reporting mechanism, and therefore I think the traction that we got was really good. A lot of people used it positively. The tool, the technology itself worked extremely well. We got a lot of PR coverage through it as well in print media. So overall, a fairly low cost but very high engagement activity.